Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be checking the side marker lights. We received a warning message. The driver's side marker lights are working. The passenger side marker light is not working. To remove the side marker lights, typically you just have to push forward and pull out. This is a 20-year-old car and the markers have never been removed, so it looks like the rubber has fused to the body. I'm going to go ahead and get some string and break the seal. Let's see if this works. To get to the bulb, you just have to twist and pull out. Here's the back of the marker light cover. It has this metal clip, and you push forward and you pull out. To remove the bulb, you simply pull out. Here's what the bulb looks like. The size is E1. Let's put in the new bulb. Let's test it out. Looks like it's working. Let's put it back together. All finished. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.